Hi friends, it's Austin Kachowww. Would you like to go on an adventure with me today? You would? Awesome! Okay, I think we should go to a farm. Would you like to go to a farm? Me too! Okay, let's go. Whoa, check it out. We're at the farm. Wow, do you hear all those animals? I got an idea. Do you want to play a game with me? You do? Okay, how about we play Guess the Animal based off the animal sound? Would you like to do that? Awesome, me too. Okay, let's listen for the first animal. What animal is that? That's right, it's a cow. Okay, I think I hear another animal. What animal is this? That's right, it's a pig. Whoa, you're smart, you're 2 for 2. Okay, let's listen for the next one. Do you know what that sound is? That's right, it's a horse. That horse is really neighing, huh? That was good job, you're 3 for 3. Okay, let's listen for the next one, ready? Whoa, what do you think that is? That's a chicken. Good job, you're so smart. Ah! Oh, I hear something else.
Bang!
What's that animal?
Bang!
That's right, it's a sheep.
Bang!
Wow, you are so smart. You guessed all the animals right. That was a fun game, and thanks for playing. You're smart. Man, guessing animals with you was super fun. I hope you had a blast, because I sure did. Remember, I'm Austin Kachowww. Do you want to spell my last name with me? Kachowww. That's 3 W's. Bye.